Hey guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video, we will see how to fix a iPhone's brightness getting dimmed automatically or getting brighter automatically without you doing it manually. So your iPhone's brightness is changing automatically, going brighter or going dim automatically, then don't worry. It might not be a software issue or any hardware issue. It might be a simple iPhone feature called auto brightness. So now here if you see, the auto brightness is not available easily in the iPhone settings. Even if you check to settings in display and brightness, there the auto brightness is not available. Also in the control center, there is no option called auto brightness. So now how to disable auto brightness to fix this issue? For that, the feature is available in the iPhone itself only, but in a different category or different menu. For that, do one thing, go to your settings, open settings. In settings, scroll down and open accessibility. In that, you will see an option called display and text size. Open that, open display and text size, and in that, scroll down till the last, and at last you will see an option called auto brightness. So yes, here is the option. Just disable it if it is enabled by default. If it is enabled, then that will be your real cause for the brightness to dimmed or getting brightness automatically. Okay, just disable that and the issue will be fixed on your iPhone permanently. And if auto brightness is disabled on your iPhone and still you are facing an issue of your brightness getting lower or higher automatically, then let me know in the comment below. I will try to find a solution for you guys. Until then, thank you very much. I hope it will fix your issue. And if you like this video, please give a like. Please subscribe for more videos on iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solutions. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.